That can't be right.
Hi friends, it's Amy with Emerge Guided Healing. Welcome back. I've got a tongue-in-cheek little tutorial for you today, all about how to fold those fitted sheets. I am going to show you. No more you know, right? They don't have to be a struggle. Sweetie, you know your clients are going to like you much better if you're not making them uncomfortable before they even get their heads down on the table. Your fairy godmother? Listen, you really need to fix the sheet situation. They're really not that hard to fold. Fitted sheets? You just need to take a little time, but it's all in the method, I promise. You don't need to have that kind of mess down there. Watch. See? Isn't that better? Yeah. Now I can teach you if you want to learn. I could use help folding sheets anyway.
Oh, honey, you get used to it after a while. At any rate, let's get to folding sheets. The first thing is we're going to figure out which method you're going to use. I'm kind of partial to the Winchester method. You know, who's got two thumbs is gonna fold the out of these sheets. Okay? Looks like maybe that's not your style. Saturday Night Fever. Index fingers out. And we just get going. Well, you know, sometimes the best method is to tell these sheets what you really think of them. Oh, honey. Honestly. All right. Let me think. I know. There's the foo method, where we make karate paddles, and you make like the Karate Kid, right? Wax on, wax off. You can do it. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.
So get your sheets, and you can use your wax on, wax off method to get the corners up at the top of your table. Spread them out, use wax on, wax off. Grab the bottom of the sheet, and you're going to turn this part of the gusset inside out so it can fit right in the pocket of the top part you've already smoothed across the table. And again, use wax on, wax off to get that all spread out and as square as possible. Now this part's a little tricky because you got to get the bottom layer under the top layer, and you want to line up those seams, and that's what the wax on, wax off is for. Use your hands to really poke your fingers into those corners, and then when you slide your hands out, it's going to make a nice square top. So now you want to spread out your elastics, use a little wax on, wax off here to make sure everything's smooth as possible, because that's going to let the sheet lie flat better later. So we're going to take that bottom corner, fold it up right about a hangs loose amount, smooth it out, wax on, wax off, and then we're going to fold it up again, another hang loose distance, wax on, wax off, and now take the top part and bring it down and smooth it again, wax on, wax off. Cut the sheet in half and fold one side in toward the middle, then the other side in toward the middle, and then you're just going to fold it in half. Don't forget to smooth it, wax on, wax off. There.
Awesome job! You know, you're really catching on. You know, I could use a sheet folder like you around. Let's get you back where you belong. Ready, set, go! That can't be right.
Hey friends, welcome back. I fold fitted sheets in order to make my clients feel more comfortable on the table and to take care of my own self and my own environment. So I hope you'll join me in that endeavor. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Oh, also use the QR code to make an appointment for a one-on-one session. This can be used in Chico at my location or from anywhere across the globe with a distance session. We'll see you soon.
That can't be right. Tell you what, you can stay. You will never have to fold sheets again.